The 2025 BMW i7 is an ultra-luxurious, all-electric sedan that redefines premium mobility with a combination of cutting-edge technology, high performance, and first-class comfort. As BMW's flagship electric model, it directly competes with the Mercedes-Benz EQS, Tesla Model S, and Lucid Air, offering a balance of sustainability, innovation, and exhilarating driving dynamics. At the heart of the i7 is a 105.7 kWh battery pack, delivering dual-motor all-wheel drive for maximum power and stability. The i7 xDrive 60 produces 536 horsepower and 549 lb-ft of torque, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. For those craving more power, the M70 xDrive variant delivers an astonishing 650 horsepower and 811 lb-ft of torque, cutting the 0 to 60 miles per hour time to just 3.5 seconds. With an estimated range of up to 318 miles, the i7 ensures long-distance capability while maintaining exceptional efficiency. DC fast charging at 195 kilowatts allows for rapid recharging, adding 80 miles in just 10 minutes. Beyond its performance, the i7 is a masterpiece of luxury and advanced technology. The interior is meticulously designed, featuring a BMW curved display, which integrates a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system running on BMW's latest iDrive 8.5. One of the most striking features is the 31.3-inch BMW theater screen in the rear cabin, boasting 8K resolution and Amazon Fire TV integration, transforming the backseat into a private cinema. The SkyLounge panoramic sunroof, customizable ambient lighting, and Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system with 36 speakers further enhance the luxurious feel of the cabin. Sustainability is also at the forefront of the i7's design. BMW has incorporated eco-friendly materials, including vegan leather alternatives, recycled plastics, and responsibly sourced wood trims. The optional cashmere wool seating provides a soft and refined alternative to traditional leather, adding an extra layer of exclusivity. The executive lounge package offers reclining rear seats with a footrest, ensuring maximum comfort for passengers who want a chauffeur-driven experience. Driving the i7 is an effortless experience, thanks to adaptive air suspension, all-wheel steering, and advanced driver assist features. The Level 2 Plus autonomous driving system enables semi-autonomous highway driving, enhancing both convenience and safety. The adaptive regenerative braking system helps optimize battery efficiency by intelligently adjusting braking force based on driving conditions. On the exterior, the i7's design is both bold and elegant, featuring BMW's signature kidney grille, with illuminated accents, sleek aerodynamic lines, and available crystal headlights with Swarovski elements for an extra touch of exclusivity.